OnTap for housing societies. Welcome to a brief demonstration on how OnTap would help all the members of the housing society. As we are aware, society is one of the most happening places, and there are various events and activities that take place on a regular basis. Most of the time, members go unaware of these events and activities. This is in spite of the fact that all these events are flashed on the notice board. OnTap precisely aims to bridge this gap and bring all this very information right at the fingertips of the members. One of the most important aspects that a house owner would like to perform is lodging of various complaints. He can simply choose to provide the flat number and select the complaint type. Complaint type can be related to electricity, amenities, or any other which you may choose to provide. Please note that the application in OnTap is completely configurable. So one can choose to change or edit the application per his or her requirement. Most of the members also conduct various shows like music shows that are allowed for the members to participate. Most of the times such shows are also paid shows where some of the members, which we normally call as contact persons, are the people who are responsible to collect the money. Also, there are various other notices related to annual general meetings which take place on a regular basis. For instance, other notices like no water supply because of the maintenance that is going on, or for instance a festival where one is allowed to understand whether he would be participating or not. If the members are participating, then they are allowed to provide the number of members that would be attending. This basically allows the society to manage the function more efficiently. There could be various other applications that could be provided in the application. Most importantly, various members are also capable of providing some ads, and ads can be flashed right on the fingertips. This ads becomes very important because many of these aspects are very crucial and mostly related to vocational or non-vocational aspects which are useful for the kids. Thus, OnTap as such would provide a complete source of information of all the society events, happenings all around the clock, right on the fingertips. All the members of the society can be registered using the portal. This would ensure that the society events and activities are only confined to the members of the society. Since most of the people today use some sort of smart device, we believe OnTap would prove very beneficial for the entire society. So what are you waiting for? Get your society onto OnTap. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to contact us at www.bitsmartsln.com. Thank you.